Hi, my name is Phoebe O'Hayan, and thank you for watching this talk called Beyond Job Replacement, Embracing AI's Positive Disruptions. According to a report from Goldman Sachs, artificial intelligence AI has the potential to replace around 300 million full-time jobs. When I read this, I was like, whoa, that's depressing. However, the report also highlights the possibility of new job opportunities emerging alongside a surge in productivity. In the past couple of years, we've witnessed digital tools acquiring new abilities that significantly overlap with human tasks, affecting our livelihoods. Here are a couple of examples to illustrate this phenomenon. For example, if you tell someone that AI can say anything at your command or draw anything at your command, they are often excited and curious. If you demonstrate it, many people are absolutely speechless. The results are getting that good. The text-to-image industry is hot. Everybody is jumping on Midjourney and DALL-E to generate images from text input. And many of us are already leveraging the AI-driven features in tools such as Canva and Photoshop on a daily basis. I have no doubt that technology like this influences the work of graphic designers. The influence of AI is insanely big in many industries. Take, for example, my field of interest, voice and audio. The text-to-speech (TTS) industry is incredibly booming. Text-to-speech synthesis, TTS, refers to the artificial pronunciation of human speech from text. In other words, you can type whatever you want and convert it into natural human-like speech. As we speak, hundreds of companies around the world are leveraging TTS technology to create content, automate services, and make their products and services more inclusive and accessible. But what does this mean for voice talents and voiceovers? TTS technology probably already drastically influences the work of many voice talents. So the overall question is, are these digital technologies affecting people's ability to earn a living? And what's next? How to deal with this all? Should we be worried that AI could replace many jobs? Or should we see it as an opportunity? The truth is, I don't have all the answers for you, but I do have a positive perspective you might be interested in. Whether we're talking about text-to-speech or text-to-image, generative AI is able to create content indistinguishable from human work. And that's quite a game changer, I can't and won't deny. And don't get me wrong, I think that it's completely understandable that many people are questioning whether or not we should be worried that AI could replace many jobs. Having said this, I believe AI presents a significant opportunity for individuals to generate more income and enhance their productivity, reach, and influence. However, it requires adaptability and a willingness to invest in learning how to leverage new methods that complement traditional workflows. So yes, I believe in the idea that is also described in the Goldman Sachs report about AI, which highlights the possibility of new job opportunities emerging alongside a surge in productivity. Why? Well, not necessarily because I'm an optimist. It's because I work with AI and try to understand it every day. I see opportunities, needs, and challenges, and I'm inspired by the potential of overcoming the limitations of our individual brains. Allow me to share something that has truly inspired me. An insightful TED Talk by Andrew McAfee, a principal research scientist at MIT, which dates back more than a decade. He explained that the steam engine and the associated technologies of the Industrial Revolution changed the world and influenced human history so much that, in the words of the historian Ian Morris, they made mockery out of all that had come before. And the steam engine did so by infinitively multiplying the power of our muscles, overcoming the limitations of our muscles. Now, what we're in the middle of now is overcoming the limitations of our individual brains and infinitively multiplying our mental power. So yes, AI might take your job, but focusing on that fact is not going to help anyone. Instead, focus on the positive effects of the disruptions of AI and the fact that you are freed up to do other things or to do the thing that you do more efficiently and maybe even better. My advice would be focus on all the good things you could do by embracing the technology. Let me give you an example. Many years ago, I sometimes did voiceover work. I've worked for multinationals, public broadcasters, cultural organizations, and much more. I loved doing voiceover work, and I still do. But my interest in design and audio engineering was bigger. As a result, I started my own business 8 years ago. Consequently, I made the decision to discontinue my voiceover work due to my increased focus on design and audio engineering and the business. The income I used to earn from voiceover work naturally ceased to exist. But nowadays, there is a renewed opportunity to generate a passive income by leveraging my voice because I can create a text-to-speech TTS model of my own voice. And there are several ways I can monetize that. The first one is royalties and licensing. If your TTS model is widely used and popular, you may be able to negotiate licensing agreements or receive royalties for its usage. This could involve partnering with TTS software companies or platforms that incorporate your TTS model into their products. And even in combination with blockchain technology, you can track when your model is used. The second one is voice services. You can offer your voice services for various projects such as audiobooks, podcasts, and other types of content creation. Many businesses and content creators are in need of voice or speech content, and you can charge a fee for your services. The third one is custom TTS voice creation. If you have a highly unique or highly desirable voice, you can create custom TTS voices for companies or individuals. You can negotiate exclusive deals, which can be very lucrative. Now, besides income generation, there are way more important positive aspects of text-to-speech technology. Since this is my personal professional field of interest, I will elaborate a bit more. TTS technology plays a crucial role in enhancing accessibility, especially for individuals with visual impairment or reading difficulties, hereby improving their access to information, education, and entertainment. While some may argue against the necessity of TTS, I hold a different perspective. And here's why. In numerous scenarios, it's simply impractical or impossible to record vast amounts of written content manually. Allow me to illustrate this with an example. Consider a local newspaper aiming to make its articles accessible to a broader audience through voice. The question arises, how can they achieve this? Employing a voice actor to record all the content on a daily basis is quite unrealistic and too expensive. However, leveraging text-to-speech technology provides a practical solution by converting their written content into audio form. This approach ensures the delivery of accessible content. Allow me to provide another example. Audiobooks have gained immense popularity in recent times. However, due to financial limitations, not every author can afford to hire a professional voice actor to record their book. In such cases, if you have a text-to-speech model of your voice, you can offer a unique solution. By enabling authors to convert their book into audiobooks using your text-to-speech voice, you provide a great alternative. The remarkable aspect of this is that you don't have to do anything. Simply send them an invoice. Another great aspect of text-to-speech technology is that it presents another remarkable opportunity: multilingual support. TTS systems can be advanced to support multiple languages. So you can create a text-to-speech model of your voice that speaks French fluently, even if you don't speak a single word of French. Now envision the potential for voice talents to expand their revenue stream through this advancement. For instance, suppose you are a Dutch voice talent. You can only speak Dutch fluently. Hoi, mijn naam is Phoebe Ohayon en ik woon en werk in Amsterdam. In the past, it was extremely difficult to license your voice and recordings to companies in need of an English-speaking voice. However, the situation may have changed significantly today. Thanks to the integration of AI, text-to-speech, and language transfer technologies, it is now possible to create a text-to-speech model of your voice that can fluently speak multiple languages. This opens up exciting possibilities for voice talents to tap into new international opportunities. In conclusion, while there are concerns about the potential job displacement caused by artificial intelligence, it is important to consider the positive aspects and opportunities that arise alongside technological advancements. Despite the fact that I understand the concerns you might have, I would advise to stay open-minded regarding AI and technological advances in general. Often embracing and leveraging the capabilities of technology can lead to increased productivity, efficiency, and growth. Rather than focusing solely on potential job displacement, it is crucial to recognize the positive effects and possibilities that arise from these advancements. Finally, I would like to end this talk by sharing a concept that I find very inspiring. You might not be able to make yourself irreplaceable, but you can make yourself indispensable.